Welcome back to the channel. Here we are on yet another adventure. Behind me is a waterfall where we'll be hiking, cooking, making camp, and just enjoying the day. Hopefully you join us along for the ride. Well, looks like we're gonna have to walk from here. Let's go see this fall. See you next fall.
Have a great trip. See you next fall. Lock the car, folks.
City people, they worry about their cars so much. Nobody even likes their cars.
Lock the car.
They wouldn't break into them if they had to. Here we are on our hike to... Here, I'll unlock it though.
Lock the car.
So here we are, and we're gonna... So here we are at Star Creek Falls. Kind of smoky out today. And we're gonna hike the trail. See what we can find. Maybe have some lunch or something. Beautiful day. It's about -50. Should be fun. You know, sometimes you gotta have a hiking partner. Get a hiking partner that's really excited about it, you know? Just this beautiful day. It's really cold on the ears. It's so nice when the sun's out. Here we have somebody directing us to a sign. You gotta be careful for these Sasquatches out in the woods, because they'll get you. Star Creek Falls Loop. We've actually done this hike before. It's quite a nice hike. We haven't done it in -15, 14, whatever it's at. It was actually dipping down to -27 this morning when we first left, but in the sunlight it's a little bit warmer. Should really bring a temperature gauge and just leave it in my backpack for days like this, but anyways, it's kind of a nicely groomed trail. I think a lot of people have been on it by the looks at all the footsteps. So they actually have a controlled burn in the town over, and the smoke is kind of a little bit in here, but kind of gives it a nice little effect. Still a beautiful day. We're gonna enjoy it regardless. Like I said, sometimes you gotta watch out for Sasquatch in the wood. They're quite dangerous, actually. They like to hide behind trees and near cliffs. And what do you know, here we have one. You can't catch them though, they always run away it seems. Fortunately you can smell them. Beautiful little rock wall here. It seems that we've not chosen the common trail for most people to come down in the wintertime.
Something widow lives in there.
There?
He has a tail. Honey, scoop it out. He's choking me! He's choking me! Please, sir, I've had enough!
I see water running over there, so it should be fine. There's a lot of ice there. That's why people turn around a little early.
You want to eat an icicle? A stalagmite of water? You want an icicle? Icicle. Get out of the way. A straw.
Bring someone that talks a lot when you're hiking. It'll help with the bears. Definitely want to watch your footing around here with the rocks and ice. You can hear the water. It's always such a nice hike, even in the summertime. It's so gorgeous. So this is a part of the trail. If you're going all the way, you have to use a chain to get up these rocks, or I guess if it's frozen you could have some crampons and go up. Actually brought our dogs up here one time, which was all ice. That's the river coming down, and the chain is right there.
Monk boots. Not the appropriate footwear for this expedition.
Rubber boots are not for climbing on rocks.
You'd have to.
It's all ice. That's all ice.
Whoa.
See?
It's melted snow.
If you do end up coming this far, you really want to pick your steps wisely so you don't end up on the wrong side of the rocks. And yet we turn another corner. I'm wondering if the camera will pick up on it right there. There's a crack on that. So this is not actually part of the trail. The trail actually goes up there. Don't recommend coming down here because there's a lot of spots where you could go through, like that one. It's another spot. Let's get to that waterfall. You really want to be careful for those spots. Wouldn't be fun at this kind of day and going through. Check that out. That is just beautiful. So this is actually not a very deep pool in the summertime. Summertime it's only a couple feet deep, but it seems that the ice has built it up quite a ways and it's not completely frozen. The water's actually coming down, splashing up here, jumping down and freezing. Very slippery. Just a really peaceful spot. Well, I think it's time for some lunch. Nice meeting you guys. Bye! So we just met a couple that was coming through on the hike and shared some marshmallows and meatballs and rice and some good stories, and it was really great meeting them. Small world. That is hot. Note to self, if you have boiling water, put it in a stainless steel cup. Don't
Make
grab
sure it
it.
has a handle.
Don't grab.
If you're gonna buy a stainless steel cup, it has a handle.
Make sure it has.
What? A handle with a handle.
Make sure it has a handle. I'm trying to stay away from that kind of stuff in general. I don't think it helps anyone. I don't think it helps me either. Fire! 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 That was a really good hot chocolate. Fire! Fire! Well, I think it's time to get on to our next adventure. Whoa! I fell down. I guess I should have took the warning. Definitely a spot where you need crampons. That's ice. So we got recommended to check out another hike in Lumbrech Falls, which I've been thinking about doing. Never really got to it, so we're gonna give it a shot and see what's down there and maybe have a little snack, and yeah, so we're gonna take you down there too. Should be a good time. Of course, if you come here in the winter time, it's gonna be closed like most parks, it seems. So you gotta hike down. It's not a very big hike, I don't think. I should have brought my sled. Even like a crazy carpet. They were headed in the right direction. A very daring dog. There it is. Cool. Just so you know, there is a far easier way. You can almost drive up right to the falls. We didn't take that route, obviously, because it's the first time we've been here. So we took the super long way around. You don't have to park at the campground. You can drive right up to the falls. Hey you, if you like this stuff, make sure to subscribe. Leave us a comment. Click that notification bell. Drop us a thumbs up. I'd love to show you around some more. Hey you, can you hear me?